In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter images by rating or label in Adobe Bridge. Let's get started by opening Adobe Bridge and heading over to the folder whose content you'd like to explore. Adobe Bridge is a powerful tool for organizing and managing your photos, so learning how to effectively filter images can greatly enhance your workflow and efficiency. Once you have Adobe Bridge open and the desired folder selected, make sure you can see the filter panel. This panel is typically found on the left side of the interface, right underneath the Folders or Favorites section. If, for some reason, you're unable to spot it, don't worry. It might be hidden, but you can easily bring it into view. Simply navigate to the top menu and select Window, then go to Panels, and from there, choose Filter Panel. This should immediately display it on your screen. Having the filter panel visible is crucial as it provides the tools you'll need to effectively sort through your images. Now, look closely at the filter panel. You'll notice that it features various categories that you can use for filtering. Two key categories you'll want to focus on are ratings, which are depicted with stars, and labels, marked with color labels. These categories will show up only if the files in your selected folder have been tagged with the corresponding metadata values. So, if you haven't previously rated or labeled your images, you might not see these sections populated with options. To filter images by their rating, you simply need to click on the star rating you wish to display. For instance, if you're only interested in seeing your top-rated images, clicking on the 5 stars option will limit the view to just those files rated with 5 stars. Furthermore, Adobe Bridge offers the flexibility to broaden your filter range. If you're interested in seeing all images that are well rated, you can shift-click on, say, the 3 stars level. This action may enable a filter that displays all images that have a rating of 3 stars or higher, effectively showing you a wider selection of quality images. If you'd like to filter by label instead, you'll need to expand the Labels section in your filter panel. Once expanded, you'll see various color labels that might have been assigned to your images. Clicking on a specific label, like red, which might indicate an approved status, will filter your view to only showcase files tagged with that particular label. It's a straightforward process that allows you to quickly access files based on their label designation. There you have it. With these simple steps, filtering your images by rating or label in Adobe Bridge becomes a breeze, helping you stay organized and focused on what matters most in your projects.